This is hands down the most complete all-in-one technical analysis tool on TradingView. Seriously, this thing has it all: supply and demand zones, tons of confirmation indicators, EMAs, and all sorts of smooth filters. You've never come across anything like it, I promise. In this step-by-step guide, I'm gonna walk you through how to use this indicator and share a full trading strategy that will help you start making consistent profits right away. It's worth pointing out that this tool works great for trading volatile cryptocurrencies, stocks, futures, and Forex pairs. The best time frames to use it on are 5-minute, 15-minute, 1-hour, and 4-hour charts. To add this indicator to your chart, log into your TradingView account and pull up any market. Right now, I'm looking at the Solana price chart on a 15-minute time frame. Go to the indicator section, search for DIY Custom Strategy Builder version 1, and select the one by this amazing author. Big shout out to the creator for this awesome script. By default, the indicator shows buy and sell signals, supply and demand zones, and market sessions. Having sessions on your chart is super handy because you can instantly spot when the market is moving the most. The candle colors also give you a clear read on market momentum. Green candles show strong buying pressure, red candles mean heavy selling pressure, and gray bars pop up when the market's just chilling. When a buy signal shows up under a green candle, it's way more likely to be a winning trade. The opposite goes for sell signals. You can tweak the accuracy of these signals in the indicator settings, where you've got over 30 indicators to mix and match. Pick the ones you like, and the indicator will spit out buy and sell signals based on your combo. This saves you from the hassle of manually cross-checking signals from multiple indicators. No more staring at your screen for hours, just set up alerts and let the indicator do the heavy lifting. Oh, and by the way, don't go anywhere. Make sure to watch the entire tutorial until the end, because not only this indicator helps you to do the things automatically for you, I will show you different approaches to turn it into a bot, all for free, so it does the job for you 24/7 while you're not around. Now, depending on what you're trading, you can choose different indicator combos. There's even an option to set how many candles the signal stays active for. By default, it's 3. This means if the main indicator gives a signal, it will wait up to 3 more candles for the other confirmation indicators to line up. If they don't, the signal won't show. You can also pick your main confirmation indicator from a list of popular buy and sell tools on TradingView. No need to clutter your chart with multiple indicators anymore. This one's got everything in one place. For crypto markets, I love using Supertrend as the main confirmation for long trades. Check out how accurate those buy signals are. This indicator also works for buy and hold strategies, and the creator keeps it updated for consistent performance across any time frame, from scalping to long-term trading. To customize the secondary confirmation, head to the inputs menu and turn on any indicator you want, like EMA filters, range filters, Supertrend, VWAP, stochastic, and more. You can whip up thousands of trading strategies in seconds just by picking your primary and secondary confirmation indicators. Here's a solid combo for day trading Solana. Enable half trend as your main confirmation. Scroll down to select the 200 EMA range filter, and add the water explosion as a signal filter. Turn off the alternate signal option for simplicity, but you can tweak the indicator length if you want to fine-tune accuracy. You can also add overlay indicators like fair value gaps or liquidity zones. When everything lines up, a buy or sell signal pops up. Always check the candle color before jumping into a trade, and use supply and demand zones as your final confirmation. Avoid going long near a supply zone or short near a demand zone to boost your odds. Let's look at some trade examples. Recently, a long signal appeared during the London session, which is known for higher volatility and trending markets. The candle was green, signaling bullish pressure. Before entering, check the price action. Here, the price broke above a range it was stuck in, which is a strong sign the market will keep climbing. And it did. For this strategy, set your stop loss at the recent swing low and aim for a profit target at least 1.5 times your risk. Another great long entry happened during the Tokyo and Hong Kong sessions. You could have made a nice profit there. The indicator smartly cancels signals during range markets, shown by gray candles, so you know not to trade them. Only open a position when all conditions align. Short trades are just as straightforward. A sell signal triggers when half trend gives a sell signal, the price closes below the EMA, and the 1 hour explosion is negative. Instead of crowding your chart with all these indicators, the tool just shows a signal when everything checks out. These entries are super accurate.
Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Established in 2018, Bybit is one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency exchanges committed to providing a professional, smart, and innovative trading experience. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success.
To set up alerts for this strategy, click the Alerts button at the top. Select the DIY Custom Strategy Builder and choose Buy or Sell signals. Set the alert to trigger once per close bar and add an expiration date if you want. Hit Create, and you're good to go. Now, as I promised you earlier, if you want to know how to turn it into a fully automatic bot, so it does the job for you 24/7, while you're not around, make sure to check the recommended videos and playlists plus more on your screen. Traders, I hope this strategy makes sense. If you've got cool ideas or indicators to share, drop them in the comments below. Always backtest this or any strategy you find. Thanks for sticking with me. Catch you next time.